Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Hybrid Canada. Today I'll just give you an update about mechanic shop. Actually, I just been there about an hour ago. After the work was done. So what happened? I took this car, this Nissan Pathfinder, to my mechanic. This is a new owner actually. Used to be another owner who sold to this new owner. Oh, it's very hot today, so I'll put the. Anyway, so what happened? My transfer case was leaking, which previous mechanic changed the seal. It's the transfer case about around the middle of the car underneath, and so what previous owners changed the seal, and he said, well, you're good to go. It won't be any problem. In the meantime, actually, I whole winter passed, and I just forgot to check again if it was leaking or not. But anyway, all of a sudden the car was. I'm lucky that I changed. It was doing different. Was doing something weird or awkward. The odometer was going zero, or the speedometer, whatever. And once the transmission was making very high frequency noise, like sorry, usually it makes like that. So anyway, then I had a very doubtful that must be something wrong with this transmission or that drive shaft, whatever. So I went underneath the car to check, and wow, I saw that whole. There's still maybe one drop of fluid was there, and whole upper on the body of the car when the drive shaft spins. I see that oil leaked and spread there. So I said, well, this car would anytime would be a catastrophic danger for this car if I don't fix it right away. So I took it to the mechanic today, and that shop owner wasn't there. So the mechanic, maybe his buddy or mechanic was there. So I was lucky that wasn't that busy. I just had to wait for 10 minutes, and my car was on the west. And then I just explained what happened, and previously changed the seal and it's still leaking. But the previous owner, I show him that receipt of that previous work, and he then, well, by the time the shop owner, little guy, very young guy, wasn't here. So while I was there, so he came, he said, what's the problem? I said, this is the problem, and blah, 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 explained everything. He said, well, we didn't do it. But I said, no, you didn't do it, but the previous mechanic did that. So he said, okay, we don't have the fluid now, so please come back later. I said, look, this car is in danger. I want to go back without fixing this car already on the west, put the fluid in. And for the seal, he said he didn't have time, so I'll come back another day. But I'm not going out of this shop without putting the fluid into the transfer case, because I know it might be already I don't know how much damage has happened, but it's totally dry for sure. Then he said, well, I don't have the fluid. I said, I got so annoying. What is the fluid? Or I don't know why he was not taking any chances or something. So after hearing this story, I said, I have the fluid in my trunk. Luckily I had a transmission fluid in my trunk, so I said, put it on. So anyway, by the time he got caught, so he doesn't want to, he had to do it because now I gave him the fluid. I don't know if the fluid for I said, just put it on. It's the transmission fluid. Maybe it's not for differential fluid. I don't know. He didn't argue. I said, put it on. I just want to go dry with this car from here. So then he agreed. So now he went to look for the pump, because it needs a special pump to put that fluid into that into the shaft area. By the transfer case. Then I asked him, okay, I might as well change the engine oil too, because only 1,000 kilometers left to for the next oil change, so better do it now. So, and then he agreed. And in the meantime, his shop buddy changed the transfer case fluid and also changed the engine oil, drained the engine oil. And by the time I started taking the video, I wanted to see if he does care about the engine oil filter. Actually, he just looked at the filter and my video was on, and he didn't even bother to change the filter because the filter looks good, because I know last oil change the filter was done in front of me. So but anyway, he didn't change the filter, so my video was on. In the meantime, I asked after he's done, he said, okay, you're good to go, oil is done. I even didn't bother to ask him what kind of fluid. I said, well, I asked him for the engine oil change, so it could be regular oil, could be synthetic. If he does synthetic oil, of course I would have been argued. Anyway, by the time the shop owner said, okay, this much, so he gave me an amount. I said, buddy, your mechanic did not change the oil filter. So, and there's a video clip. I mean, how guys we can trust you? I mean, so is that all mechanic is doing like this? He just didn't bother to charge me at all. He just went 1/3 of the price, and he said, please come back next time. I will send we'll look after the seal. Well, in a way, I thought, okay, the filter is still new because the last oil change it was done. So I'm just telling you, so a lot of mechanic will not change the oil filter, which is about $10 or whatever. I mean, could be. So they're asking for that money all the time. So maybe you guys don't know, or a lot of people don't know. So I would suggest you guys always ask the mechanic to show the filter when they put the new filter on, to show you. So that way you know that they changed it. Or if you are, I don't know, I know it's hard to get the filter. If you can anyhow take the picture of the filter as soon as the last oil change is done, so you know what color was the filter. And so next mechanic, you show the mechanic, okay, this is the filter color. So maybe this is where they will be